What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the HART 215 piece mechanic tool set. So I got this specifically for my mom too. She's been wanting to have a large selection of tools, especially when it comes to like some of the tools where like you need that long tool to reach difficult places. That was specifically one of the reasons why to have it. Plus, it always comes in handy to have a big tool set. And I was unsure about which basically manufacturer to get. I know that there's a tons of tools, but I went with one of the tool sets that, you know, they have like a limited lifetime warranty. So in case a tool breaks, at least you have like a backup option. But I don't think I've ever seen many of the tools break apart. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm actually kind of stoked about this one. So I hope she really likes it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to lift it. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, this is not what I was expecting, but dang, this is a big mama. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like somehow. All right, let's see how I'm gonna do this. Well, at least you know that going away. I'm gonna have to put this down. Please enjoy the view now. For I don't know what those are. I think those are. Yeah, you're gonna have to use 2 hands for these tools. All right, guys, there you have it. Am I placing it the right way? Yeah, pretty much. Cool. All right, sweet. All right, so this is the HART 215 piece mechanical tool set. So it has all these torches, and this would include everything, especially those. I hope we get those long ones, specifically long ones, extenders especially. That's what we mainly need. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't know why we're looking at it, but yeah, let me turn it around real quick so that way you can get like an idea of how the front looks. Oh my gosh, this is super heavy. So 90 tooth ratchet or arc swings, 4-inch sharks specifically for that. Rust resistant, 6-point sockets, 12-point sockets, strong metal latches, and large size markings, which really help. We tend to lose most of them. So let's give it a shot, guys. Let's see, is there a way to loosen this up? Let me do it quick. Oh, sweet. Loosen most of it up. Once again, enjoy the view. And I'll try to see if I can get this out without sacrificing the paper, which I'm probably going to. Yeah, I was able to get the thing out. Sweet. So that's a bonus. I don't want to tear it. But let's get it back here and let's get started. It's pretty heavy. Oh, nice. They have a protective guard here. Sweet. Yeah, it's not going to open unless I cut this, so that's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut it. I hope the knife is sharp enough. So I really like the material specifically for it. So that's pretty sweet. Oh man, I'm having. There you go. Sweet, we're on it. So let's get started. Yeah, sorry about the view, guys. It takes up half of the table, but I will lift it. So we're about to open it, and boom, you already have that. So we have all these tool sets right here. Ooh, I like this right here. That way it doesn't scratch any more of those things. Man, that is gonna help us a lot. I was hoping more of extenders. That's what I really wanted. More of these with these combined total. Check it out. You can actually do your own custom. So yeah, oh my gosh, this is actually gonna help a lot. That specific one. Do we have now? I'm looking at these bottom ones. Do we have more things down here, or is that part? Oh, there's more. Okay. All right. Let me show you the bottom part, guys. How do I open this? Oh, well, as you can see, there's more tools at the bottom. But let me see if I can open it from here, or if it even lets me open it. Oh, Eddie, you have to release these two. Whoa, if it even lets you. Unless I lift this up. Oh, you think because they're screwed on? I mean, that'll kind of suck if we have to loosen it up. Well, that's what makes the video fun. Nope, I can't get it open. But let me see. They're all tools down there. As you can see, there's more down here. But somehow I can't open it. Give me one moment, guys, and we'll get back to you. So, as expected, you have to pop these flaps off. So you better have good grip, because they're super tight on there, which is good, unless you have to lift this up. But yeah, pop these off. Pop left to the left, and then you'll get your other set of tools. Let me put this down for a bit. Or I should put it this way. And you get more tools right here. Nice. Oh, I like this one. Specifically this one when we try to reach the hard places. And like I mentioned, they're all labeled. So we'll take one look at it. There it is, 12. So you know you're not going to miss out any of these tools. Oh, it even has the one for the PlayStation. Sweet. Dang. Intense. Now we don't ever have to worry about another tool ever again. Of course, just easily put it back if it wants to, but for now we're just gonna leave this on top. So I'm gonna put it on the side. I don't want to deal with it. I'll put it back in a bit. I do like the cover. Once again, that's pretty sweet. Awesome. And then we're gonna take this one out. Oh, these is where the loose ones were. That's unfortunate. So this is where you put your extra stuff, and here goes this one. This is I was hoping the longer one, but there wasn't a longer one enough. So we have this, and then we have that. This, you can put your extra tools that you need. It's pretty sweet. And I'm guessing this one, yeah, it goes this way. No, I'll probably go the other way. I guess this is the one that loose. I guess they don't want to have it too much. I guess when it was shipping, they probably moved. But we have this one, the small ones, particularly. I really wanted like an extension one. Unless you can extend it more by putting the other one together. It's a possibility. Where is it? Where's the extension? This one, and then make it bigger. Yeah, actually you can. We'll try it later. Either way, yeah guys, so this is pretty much it. There's really nothing else more. It's just a lot of tools all in one. Great for a mechanic. Look, I don't know if like half of the tools we're going to be using, especially with, well, I mean, like all around housework. And I'm going to put this back as much as there you go. Slides in. Sweet. And of course, once you're done with it, pop them back up. I can't do it with one hand. Let me see if I can do it. So I'm set. Yeah. When you put it back, use your, like all this force right here. But other than that, guys, I think it's a really good tool set. It's a bit heavy. I'd recommend this to keeping it at your house. Yeah, it's a lot. I thought I had to remove these, but no. Either way, you have it right there. It's what does it look like? Triangle, right? There's no triangle. Either way, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Once again, this is a 215 piece HART mechanical tool set. Great for any mechanic or just in general that they use this. And I'm gonna leave this on top of here because I actually like this. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be using this for sure as well, around the house or in the car, especially for the small ones. I actually like this, but it is quite heavy. I'm gonna say you have to use 2 arms. I can't even lift it with 1 arm, and that's because I bench press like 800 pounds. But either way, guys, I hope you like it. I like the material on it. It's really good. I'm a huge fan of SKB cases, and they use the same molded case because, you know, that's how they last quite a while. Never had any problems with it. Other than that, guys, thank you for enjoying the video. Let me know in the comments what particular tool set that you guys use and you recommend. I might consider reviewing it as well. But other than that, peace.